this is us on our last night. We are in Miami, South Beach at a restaurant called Grillfish and got new tats. Actually what they mean is I'm a Leo, Scorpio rising. So I got Leo on my left hand and Scorpio on my right hand, and it was really cool. And to Josh now with his update.
Hey, what's up?
Check out his, well, you got pictures of it. You don't need to take that off.
Yeah, it's not coming off.
Okay. Anyway, he has Christian's name tattooed on him and lots of blood, lots of gore. How do you feel?